Welcome to another of my videos where I work through and explain A-level Physics multi-choice questions. If you want to try to answer this question yourself, pause the video now. If you got the answer D, well done. If you'd like to hear my explanation of how I found the answer, please continue watching. So we've got a capacitor in the circuit and initially uncharged, and the switch is closed at time 0. Which pair of graphs shows how the potential difference V across the capacitor and the current in the circuit changes with time? So let's first of all think about what's happening with the potential difference, and let's think about what's actually happening with the capacitor. So capacitor initially has no charge on it. When that switch is closed, the cell is going to provide energy to push electrons onto one of the plates and take electrons off the other plate. The more charged that capacitor becomes, the more difficult it is to put electrons onto the plate. So initially the potential difference is 0. There is no potential difference across the plates, and initially it's very easy to put charge onto the plates to increase the potential difference, but as you put more and more charge on, it ends up getting more and more difficult, and so the rate of increase of potential difference slows down. Eventually the potential difference would tend towards the potential difference of the cell. So what's happening with the current? Well, again, initially when the switch is closed, it's very easy for the cell to push electrons onto the plate. So that means we start off with a very high current. But as the plates get more and more charged, it becomes more difficult to put electrons on there. The current reduces, and tends towards 0. So that's got the wrong PD shape. That's got the wrong PD shape. So it's either going to be C or D, but as you can see with C, that's the wrong current time graph. So D is the correct answer. If you found this video useful, please press the like button. All comments be welcome. Please subscribe and please share and watch more of these in the series.